What's up, everybody? Welcome to the vlog today from Jackson Hole Mountain Resort. We took the tram up to the top of the mountain and then hiked over to the Bridger Gondola, where we were finally able to enjoy a few well-deserved drinks. It was a great time, and come along for the ride. Enjoy. Heading up the summit trail at Jackson Hole Resort, which, as a matter of fact, you can see down there. Hopefully. Got some mountains, Snake River running down there. Plenty of snow up here. Actually forced to take a longer trail because the other one is run over by snow still. And we can't slide down it. It's pretty cool though. Going to grab us a drink. Some weird bug making some noise. Drink awaits us, everybody. She's running away from me. She's scared of me, I guess. Now she's gonna fly. There she goes. Look, there's another marmot. I think that's what they are. Maybe we'll go say hey to them. We still coming? Oh my goodness. Okay. So you can play that game. Look at that.
What? There's no way. This is 3
Ah.
miles. Are you serious?
Drinks.
Wait, okay, let's talk about this for a second. Is this really just 3 miles?
Maybe our sense of...
Oh, because of all the switchbacks, I guess?
Yeah. We're going on all kinds of switchbacks.
Feel bad for
What did I tell you? What I tell you? People on there. I can't tell if they're waving or not. This would be good footage. We still coming. Alright, there's Corbett's Couloir, and that's where we came from, and the final stretch up to there. My fellow traveler, there's the valley, there's Teton Thai. I actually see it.
Teton Thai.
We're gonna crush some
Later.
pad thai later. Okay, let's go. Whew, hike completed. What you think? I think we about got destroyed at the end.
It was beautiful, but we were not expecting how grueling that was.
Longest 3 miles of our lives. Especially the last
Like,
uphill.
Yeah. 70% steep downhill and then like 30% very steep uphill.
Yep. But now we're up at the top of the Bridger. This nice restaurant here. We're gonna have our lunch, get a beer,